guys, this is my Lakewood 1200A 12-inch oscillating desk fan. This fan was made in 1984, and I got this fan off of Craigslist for $10, and I actually got it new in box, well, used in box actually, and I have the box right over here. I will show it to you in the camera. Here's the box. As you can see, it says Lakewood, well, I don't know how well you can see it, but it says Lakewood model number 1200A, a Deluxe 3-speed oscillating fan, and then it has a picture of it down here. It says 12-inch Deluxe 3-speed. This fan was purchased at a Murphy's Mart in East Joppa, I think it's sort of northeast of downtown Baltimore. It's near, like, I think Parkville. I'm not sure where it is exactly on the map, but all I know is that currently there is a Shoppers where it used to be, so. And there is a shipping tag on top of the box, which I will show you later. And the fan also came with its original manual, which I will show you right now. Here's the original manual, as you can see. The lighting isn't the best, but it says up here, it says 12-inch Deluxe oscillating fan. It's kind of faded, and then 3-speed, and then down here, manufactured by Lakewood Engineering Manufacturing Company. And there's a picture of it, of course. And then in here is all the information about, like, you know, features, and then how to service it, or actually that's how to make it oscillate, and then this is how to clean and service, and this is how to adjust the neck bracket. So yeah, this model is actually a somewhat later model. The earlier models were blue. Well, they were white with blue blades and had a blue color scheme on the switch plate and everything. But yeah, this is model 1200A, and the A stands for almond because these are almond with brown blades, brown switch plate, and the push buttons are gradually increasing from like white to tan to brown, and you know. So now if I take a look at if I turn the fan to the side, you will see it has a squared off plastic grill that these all had. That's why I refer to these as the plastic-grille series. A very bulky squared off base, kind of similar to the first generation Galaxies. The motor housing is actually quite small compared to other fans, but yeah, it has a click-and-place neck bracket rather than one with a knob. And when I got it, the neck bracket was kind of messed up, but I was able to fix it. So yeah. So I'll turn the fan around to the back so you can see it. So here's the back of it, and you can see it has vents on the back of the motor. Actually, the motor in this fan is a small cylindrical motor made by Lakewood. Very interesting. I've never seen anything like that in a different desk fan. It's literally like a little miniature version of a box fan motor. It's pretty cool. And it does have oil ports underneath of the motor housing cover. So, yeah. Turn it around to the front again. It has its original cord, but the cord is like very similar to a modern cord. It actually is almost identical. I mean, I can show it to you. Maybe not actually, but it's like the same thing as a modern cord. It's just not polarized. So yeah, I guess now I will demonstrate the fan for you. Start it off on high. medium. And to low. I'm not sure what that buzzing is. I think that might be something in the oscillator. I really don't know. This is a very good fan, actually. The grills are spaced kind of close together, and I thought that would restrict the air movement, but it actually doesn't. It's still very, very powerful. So now I'll spin down from low. And I did oil this fan when I got it, so. It's a pretty good spin down time. Okay, so now I will engage the oscillator and start it up on low this time. And up to medium. And high. It is kind of bucking a little bit, and I think that's my floor. My floor is a bit unstable or uneven. So I'm going to stop the oscillator and spin down from high. Okay, now I'm going to take the camera and give you kind of a close-up on the fan, and I will also show you the box that it came in. So here's the switch plate detail. As you can see, Lakewood there. And then the labels on the buttons, low, medium, high. I do love the sort of striped design on the switch plate. Here's the center badge. It also has that striped design, and the LW for Lakewood. The blades. Go around to the side. Motor housing. The base. And I'll also show you the label on the bottom. Here's the label. Model 1200A, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1.1 amps, in Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company. Caution: automatically operated device. Disconnect from power supply before servicing. This one has all 4 of its feet still intact. Pretty nice. So, and then here is the box that it came in. As you can see, here's the original Murphy's Mart tag here. This was bought for $23. I only paid $10 for it. Yeah. And here's the side. Here's all the features it has. This was made in USA, of course. Here's the other side. It's the same as the front, and then this side is also the same as the front. Now on top is that shipping label I was talking about. As you can see, it's shipped from Lakewood in Chicago, and it was shipped to Murphy's Mart in Baltimore. Here's the date. See, It's October 4th, 1984. So this fan was most likely made in 84, maybe 83, I don't know. So that is about it for this video. So thank you for watching, and more to come.